Well, today's little bit of fun is to remove these shutters. They've been nothing but a pain since we installed them. They warp, as you can see. There's absolutely nothing we can do about that because of the size. We've tried everything, and there's cross members, there's diagonal cross members, and nothing stops them from warping. So the plan is we're going to take them down, we're going to reuse the wood and the hinges, and the door inside has been restored. That's lockable. The other problem we have, we can't get in the house from here because these have to be locked from the inside as well, so you just can't get into the house because of these. Right, so these are the shutters from the inside. As you can see, we've got plenty of strengtheners. Whatever we've used has not stopped them from warping, and we're talking of about 4 or 5 inches at the top from the bottom. And the other pain about them is you can't open them from the outside. You have to get into the house and pull all these bars away just to get them open. So they need to go. We need to do something different for it anyway. So that's going to keep me quiet for a while. When they're off, when they're out of the way, these will be painted again, and another lock put on these. There's already the one I put on earlier this year, and they will then be open to the outside if you want. So no time like the present, let's get on with it. Well, we've made a start. They're down. They're stripped of all the strengtheners, but I've decided that I'm going to take them inside and split them. I think it'll be easier with them laying flat on the floor. So I'm going to clear all this mess up first, get these inside, and then work on them in there. It will also be nicer to work in the shade because it's quite warm out here today. So that's the plan. Have a tidy up, take them inside, and then try and split them. Sometimes you can be stupid really quite easily without even trying, and that moment has just happened to me. So I've taken the shutters off, and what I intend to do is to make new shutters out of them for a smaller window, so I don't need this massive length. So So in my wisdom, I thought, well, I'll break them up and then make new shutters. And I've just had a bit of an epiphany, I think it's called, when I thought, why am I breaking them up? Why am I separating them? These were glued as well, which is unusual because I don't normally glue them, but these were made, I am guessing now, 5 years ago. Some of the first shutters well, they were the first shutters I ever made here. So I'm breaking them up to put them back together again. Just leave them as they are, cut them to size, put all the fixtures on, get them painted, sanded and painted. Job's a good one. So I will stop hitting them with a hammer and take some measurements, put them back to how they are, how I need them. Hey, me. As if I haven't got enough to do. One down, one to go. All made from recycled bits and pieces, wood, nails, screws, from the ones that were on the front door of the house. So I'm pleased with that. They've cleaned up better than I thought they would do. I once have had a couple of coats of paint, they'll be perfect for the job. So just going to go and have a quick coffee and then I will make shutter number 2. But yeah, very happy with that. Look forward to getting them fixed, but there's some work to do on the stonework, as I said, before I can even get around to that, and I'll show you that later. Okay everybody, cheers. That's the first coat on. Went on pretty easily. Definitely will need a second. And then the reverse, the inside part of the doors, will need 2 coats as well. So yeah, leave this to dry and get on with the next job while it's drying. Okay, see you later everybody. Cheers. Sunk into the depths.
What was I going to say? Oh yeah, it's gone down. Yeah, that's gone down to the bottom, isn't it? Because that's the only time you'll notice, isn't it, when it settles at the bottom. But it feels like it's all, don't it?
Yeah.
Well, I'll cut it off there.
Yes.
Hello.
Morning everybody. Well, this morning I'm doing all the joints. As you can see, we're doing a couple of test pieces which are going okay. They're not completed yet, but it's looking okay. So yeah, I've got all this room to do. There's quite a lot of work. There's absolutely no way I can really video it. I can't get the camera in here without it being in the way, as I need the ladders. So I shall come back to you in a short while when I've done some of it at least anyway. Okay. Let's get on with this messy job. Well, that looks so much better. All those joints filled in. They've all had at least 3 coats, if not 4. And now I just need to wait for it to dry. And then tomorrow I can sand it down, prep it for painting. I think that the painting will be after the sanding, the next job. And then once all that's dry, we can do all the grouting on the tiles. And when that's sorted, put the sink back and put a light up. I've got a nice light to go in here. So yeah, it moves on. Hopefully by the end of the week it will all be finished. Okay everybody, thanks for watching, and I'll talk with you in a while. Cheers.